Chandrakant Bide, doing designs on the manual typewriter. When I was working with Union Bank of India, my boss told me to type intercom list. So instead of typing in usual manner, I type in the shape of telephone itself. And everybody liked it and everybody appreciated. There, I said, I wanted to become commercial artist or artist. So I thought that this is the media, typewriter, through which I can become artist. And then, I started doing designs. More than 150 designs, my portraits, pictures are done on the manual typewriter. My 11 exhibitions have been held. I met Sachin outside Wankhede Stadium, and I showed Sachin his photograph done on the typewriter, and I told him, sir, this is the photograph done by on the manual typewriter. I remember in Pune exhibition when about 2-3 policemen along with inspector, they came, and I was shocked. I said, nowadays, in the exhibition, if they don't like photograph of anybody, then there is a possibility of riots, or they come and they remove the photograph. So I was scared, but they came and he was going through the exhibition, and about 45 minutes he came to me and he said, you're Chandrakant Bide? I said, yes. He says, fantastic exhibition. And he went backward for five steps backward, and then he came 5 steps forward and he saluted me. I think then he said, Chandrakant, this salute is to your heart. So this is one of the greatest compliments I received.